Hi all, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to the second part of our Wayanad vlog. Hope all of you are doing fine. This segment includes visiting some more beautiful places in Wayanad. Hope you all enjoy the video. Keep watching. Visiting Pookode Lake was a very calm and nice experience. The lake is situated amid evergreen forest, has an area of 13 acres and a depth of 40 meters. The aerial view of Pookode Lake resembles the shape of India's map. The lake is situated 770 meters above sea level and home to a very unique variety of fish species. Adjacent to the lake we have boating facilities, children's park, freshwater aquarium and so on. Our second destination was Soochipara Waterfalls, one out of the 6 waterfalls in Wayanad. This is the entrance of Soochipara Waterfalls. It will take 15 to 20 minutes trekking from the entrance to the waterfall. As we approach the waterfall, the sound of water can be heard more loudly. Soochipara Waterfalls at Vellarimala, Wayanad is also known as Sentinel Rock Waterfalls, is a 3-tiered waterfall at a height of 200 meters. Tiered waterfall means the water falls off different underlying rocks in a tiered manner. The taller the waterfall is the number of tiers it will have. This is the moment, it's like all the distance covered to see the waterfall feels worth it. We thoroughly enjoyed every moment at the waterfall. Zipline is a thrilling experience that everyone should try at least once. We had a plan to visit Kuruvadip, but unfortunately the weather was unfavorable. It's always better to be updated with the weather forecast at regular intervals, especially when you're traveling to the hill stations. Even if you're pre-planned, the weather may affect your schedule. This is Nellarachal in Wayanad, our third destination of the day. Nellarachal is one of the most attractive viewpoints in Wayanad, also known as Mini Vagaman. The visuals at sunset here will mesmerize you. The views are so beautiful that you can't express them in words. And with that, I'm winding up my video. We'll be uploading the third part really soon. Please leave a thumbs up if you like my video, and please do support my upcoming videos, and please do subscribe my channel if you haven't. Thank you for watching.